Hello and welcome to day 4 of our solve of the Taskmaster Advent Calendar. I'm Laura Jane Ayres.
And I'm Gareth Moore.
And we are solving this together.
Yeah, we're puzzle and brain training authors, but
yes.
in this video we are not writing any puzzles. We're going to look at this,
Doing a
day
solve.
4. So yesterday we identified it was behind the wheelie bins.
Exciting.
Which
All
is
good
where
things are hiding.
This is exactly where the postman would leave anything really valuable.
Obviously.
Right, perhaps in the wheelie bin, you know, just on collection morning. Mel Giedroyc, how do you pronounce her surname?
Giedroyc?
Well, she holds the record for the lowest score on an achievement in a single episode, just 3 points in series 4, episode 3. And once again, they've underlined something that connects to the day number. So we have in here a bonus task. And
so yesterday's bonus task was a fun crafting activity. So I think they're not part of the overall task here.
Right, so there's some bits and pieces, and we can have a look inside the room.
Great.
So we've got a map, which looks like it's going to be a picture of the whole calendar.
Yeah, it does,
Because there are
doesn't it?
definitely
Maybe there'll be
peas
a
in the
kind of
corner.
spot the difference vibe.
Day 4.
Let's find out.
Spot the difference. You have until tomorrow. Well done, Laura. Your time starts now.
Okay, will do.
Should we have a quick look at the bonus task?
Yeah, let's see what it says.
Right, the best Christmas cracker joke. Best cracker joke wins.
Love that.
Christmas cracker jokes will be judged by Alex Horn. Post your video to Instagram, TikTok or X with the hashtag #TMDay4. You have until 9 AM on Friday, 5th of December. Your time starts now. Well, there we go.
I'm loving
It's a
these
challenge
extra
for you.
tasks. Okay,
Right.
great. Do you think this is a
here's
map of the whole calendar?
I can tell you it's not going to be to size, but yes. There we go.
Fine.
Right, Laura, find the differences. Maybe we'll have to zoom in a bit.
It's just one difference, in fact, it says.
Oh, yeah, we need to find a door to open.
Yeah.
So presumably we should
We'll
start
do it bit by bit.
Yeah. I mean, should I zoom in more?
Yeah, let's zoom in more. Great.
So we've got a cat. This could take a while. Should we
take
start
a
at the
while.
bottom right?
It's up to you.
Nah, let's start here. Person on roof. Are we... Yeah, it's even got little details like the duck.
I should hope so.
Aeroplane, roof. This could take a while.
It's okay. It's a pineapple.
I'll do the edge in a minute.
What we can focus on is the doors, because ultimately...
It's just the door we need to
It's going to be the
identify.
door. So that easel is the same. There's an aubergine there. Okay, what about our next door? Over here. Got our weather vane. Let's have a look at it in the picture.
There's a lot of detail here, but it looks the same.
So is the...
The clock is in the same position, isn't it? Or the hands swapped?
Yeah, yeah.
Are the hands swapped?
Oh, I don't know. I think the clock does look different.
The clock does appear to be different.
I think the clock is different.
Because that hand has grown longer. Surely they would have used the same printed image.
Yeah.
On the other hand, you'd think the image would have been much more significantly different if that was the intended difference, wouldn't you? I think it might just be a printing nonsense. Don't you?
I don't know. There's such a clear gap here between that small hand and there's no gap there. It's very tiny.
You can zoom in even more, although it obviously gets to the point where it's like digital noise, but they are different, that's for sure.
I think they're different.
So do we think it's the clock to open?
Is there anything else different about that?
About that door?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't see the lights on the small image, but I think that really is just because it's smaller.
Should we open it?
Yeah. If it's wrong.
If it's wrong, we'll close it again.
We'll edit this out, yeah.
What does it say?
That is not right, I'm thinking.
Why not? It didn't have a day on it.
Yeah, because it didn't have a day on it, that's why I think it's wrong.
Greg has described little Alex Horn as a hairy cylinder of meat on at least 8 occasions. He has also called him a lovely pretty boy, sort of a bearded jellyfish, and a wretched hairy weasel, and it says get out. So that is obviously not the right day.
No, have you seen little Alex Horn? New scent, smell like Greg. When weekly, Taskmaster, still livid. Where is that rodent hiding?
Okay, so not that one. But
Which just remind me, we haven't actually looked inside the room for today.
Ah, okay. Oh yes, behind the wheelie bin.
Ooh.
It's like I don't know what that is on the table.
I think it's a bunch of grapes. There's a skull, obviously. Oh, it's our famous festive cow, which has got antlers, obviously. I think we're inside a little caravan or similar.
It doesn't look like there's anything relevant to the day, though, in there, does it?
No.
Because spot the difference is obviously meant to be for the map. Okay, well, we can close that. That's a real red herring.
That was not the actual intended difference.
Okay.
No. Let's go to the next row. I'm missing off the right column still, but we know it's not this one once we've opened it.
Okay, well, yeah, it's not
And then we've got this
treadmill.
black silhouetted figure.
Where's the outline of
Oh
the
my
doors?
goodness.
All those
I think that
things?
looks the same.
That looks the same to me.
And then we've got the igloo-covered place.
Our head's still there, the
Yes.
plane's there. all the
Footprints
balloons
look
are
the
there.
same. Over here is
Again,
the
we're
entrance.
looking at the door.
Yeah, it looks the same
That
to
looks
me.
the same to me.
Yeah, and then over here.
need a bit more.
I need more of the
More of the
view.
visual. Huge soup canister.
Yeah, huge soup.
Pineapple.
Wait,
presents.
is this in the same position? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's all there. Christmas cow.
Ah, the Christmas cow.
Christmas cow! We even talked about the Christmas cow.
We talked about the Christmas cow.
Because he's in that room.
It has to be said, that is a less subtle difference than the difference in the clock.
Massively so.
I presume you weren't meant to open that other door. Right.
Interesting, though,
Here's
that
the
it
cow.
wasn't a door to a day.
It is going to say, yeah, it's interesting.
So this should say day 5.
And it
Yay!
does. There we go. We hope you enjoyed that. If you did, do please join us when we shall open day 5 tomorrow.
See you there.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.